Patrick Daly. What the fuck's up, Wexford? How y'all doing? This is one of the wealthiest places in Pittsburgh. You guys know that? What do rich people like to do for fun?
Comedy clubs.
What's their favorite thing? No, the answer's not pay taxes. How do you do that? You know, 1031 exchanges, fuck capital gains, expense everything. You didn't make shit this year. Take a loss, dude. Spend 6 months a day in Florida. Fuck income taxes. You guys are fun. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah.
This is full moon. I'm vibing right now. I'm usually where I need to be, when I need to be, doing what I need to be doing during a full moon. So I'm super grateful to be here with y'all today. And I love Chris. Can you guys give a up for Chris Nakis right here? He puts this on every month. He's the man. But we're out in Wexford. What do we got out here? Got Walnut Grill. Got Capitol Grill. We got fucking saltwater pools, dog. This place is sick, dude. I'm happy to be here. A little bit about me, though. I just got off a juice cleanse last month. I'm a health nerd. That's what I do for fun. You guys want to give it up for celery by any chance? Celery, get some love. How about romaine, dude? The staple of any good salad. You know, fuck iceberg. There's no nutritional value. My bad. It's the staple of any good taco. I'm just having fun up here. But, you know, my favorite fruit or vegetable is pineapple, dude. You know that shit takes 2 years to grow?
Yes.
It costs like $5. Weed takes 2 months to grow and it costs $300. How does that make sense? But over the past few years of my life, I've run into a lot of pineapple advocates, as I'd say, and I'd always be out and I'd see people with pineapple tattoos, and I go up to them and start going off like, pineapple tattoo, that's my favorite fruit. Takes 2 years to grow. And they're just like, okay. And later on I found out that pineapple is the symbol for swingers. I didn't know that. So as I'm going off my favorite fruit or vegetable, these people are just thinking, does this guy want to fuck? But yeah, I've been pretty sober. I haven't drank in like 5 years. I just run for fun, get the endorphins pumping and shit. But I did start a new antidepressant recently. I don't know if y'all are familiar with like golden teachers, penis envy, psilocybin. Mushrooms are what I'm talking about. Yeah. They're a great substance to figure shit out on, but they're the worst substance to drive on. I can't even find my cars whenever I go to drive on mushrooms. One of the most interesting substances to drive on, you guys familiar with sassafras by any chance? Ecstasy is pretty much ecstasy's cousin. MDA is sassafras. Molly's MDMA. But I got pulled over one time on sassafras, rolling tits, and the officer goes to me, "Sir, have you anything to drink tonight?" And I'm just like, "No, but do you have any water? Or like Gatorade? A Camel pack I could fucking suck on?" He's like, "All right, I need you to get out." This is a true story, San Diego. "I need you to get out of the car." I'm like, "Okay, what now?" He's like, "I'm gonna need you to walk a straight line." I'm like, "Walk a straight line?" My footwork on sassafras is phenomenal. I'm like Yao Ming in the paint. Walk a straight fucking line. I'll moonwalk across that line, dude. I'll fucking Dougie across that line, dude. I'll fucking do the birdie down that line. Sir, don't tempt me with a good time. But, you know, my favorite of all substances to drive, and mind you, I'm sober as fuck now, is probably acid, LSD. Round of applause for acid, anyone? I don't know if you've ever driven at night on acid in a Jeep Wrangler with the doors and roof off, but it's just like Mario Kart. Except if you fall off the side of the 5 in San Diego, there ain't no Koopa Troopa to bring you back on Rainbow Road. You die. I'm actually better at driving on acid than I am sober. Because whenever I'm on acid, I would just be thinking several thoughts ahead. And I'm driving. I'm not talking like a thumbprint of acid, but like a healthy microdose. And I'd be driving like, okay, this guy up there, you're going to make a left, hop the turn signal, and bam, left turn signal comes on. Just super in sync with the traffic. Mind you, whenever I'm driving sober, I'm fucking hitting bananas left and right. Mamma mia! You know, I'm invincible on acid whenever I'm driving. I got 3 fucking red shells around me all the time and a star on deck, dude. I'm fucking rolling. I would make this drive from San Diego up to La Jolla all the time, and I'd pretty much just teleport up there in traffic. But the hardest substance I ever had to quit, hands down, Taco Bell, dude. That shit is fucking fentanyl of food right there, dude. As long as I'm not eating that, my day is good. I start having Taco Bell, I wake up like Doug, Stu, and Phil in The Hangover. I'm like, did I get Rufalin last night? What happened? I hope Mike Tyson's tiger isn't about to bite me whenever I go to brush my teeth this morning. Dude, I think they're putting something in that food to brainwash you, and it's comparable to like what Mugatu did to Zoolander at the spa to get all the Prime Minister of Malaysia. I think with the right combination of cheesy gordita crunches, Doritos Locos Tacos, and God forbid the specialty edition lava sauce, Mugatu could get me to kill the Prime Minister of Malaysia. And winding this down here, I'm like, there has to be more people out there like me too. I read a woman called the police on Taco Bell because they ran out nacho cheese fries. That ain't even fentanyl behavior. That's bath salt behavior. Imagine calling the cops on your weed dealer because they ran out of Bubba Kush or Granddaddy Perp. It's like, fuck Silver Haze, dude. I don't want Girl Scout cookies. And in conclusion, my proposition is this shit should be Schedule 1. There's no nutritional value in it. You should at least have to be 21 years or older to eat it. Or if you're coming out like a POW type situation, Holocaust survivor, deer hunter, getting out there, it's like, I just fucking played Russian roulette with the Viet Cong for 6 days. I'll eat anything. And it's not a craving, it's a disease. Thanks for letting me share.
Patrick